Hey, this is John at the Bible Project. We have a YouTube channel. We almost have 1 million subscribers on YouTube, which is amazing. I'm a subscriber. Many people here on the Bible Project staff are subscribers, except for Tim Mackey. He is not a subscriber. So,
We just discovered today that I've never subscribed to the YouTube channel that I helped start.
so I'm gonna show Tim how to
Yes.
subscribe to YouTube.
All right.
It's youtube.com.
This is real time, everybody. Okay.
Search for The Bible Project. There it is.
Oh, there it is. Let's see. It's 9. Oh, there are those guys. 959,000 currently
959,072 is what I've
is
got.
what you've got. What do I do?
Click on that big red button.
This button right here.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Subscribed. 959,000.
I did it.
73. Better late than never.